First, going into a medium-sized mixing bowl, you're going to add 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. To the dry mix, you'll add 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now it's time to add the leavener, 1 teaspoon of baking powder in the bowl. Moving on to the salt. Where there's sugar, there should always be salt, and we are going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt to the dry mix. Just whisk these ingredients together until they are well combined, and we'll move it on to the wet ingredients. First in line for the wet ingredients, we have 2 large eggs. Crack them right into the bowl. And 2, add in the sugar. Now we're just gonna mix it all up. Now to this, we'll add a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, maybe 2 teaspoons. Just gonna mix this up and stream in 3/4 cup of melted, unsalted butter. Give it a mix until the butter, sugar, and eggs appear as though they have become one. Then add your dry ingredients to the bowl. Mix on low. For good measure, we'll add in some chocolate chips. Anywhere from 1/4 cup to 3/4 cup will work, right in the bowl. One more mix. Now this is it for the brownie batter, and I know my peanut butter lovers out there are wondering where in the world the peanut butter is at. It's coming right now. These brownies are going to be equipped with a gorgeous peanut butter swirl. And the first thing we're gonna do to get that swirl in working order is add 2/3 of a cup of creamy peanut butter to a microwave-safe mixing bowl. I'm gonna pop this peanut butter in the microwave and microwave on high for about 30 seconds, just until it's looking nice and melty. This is exactly what you wanna see. It's pretty much liquefied, and that is going to make it really easy to work in the powdered sugar. We'll add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, followed by a splash of vanilla and 1 little pinch of salt. Just stir this until you no longer see the white of the powdered sugar. We've got our brownie batter ready. We've got our peanut butter swirl ready. Now we're gonna get the pan ready. Just spritz it with some nonstick cooking spray and add that brownie batter right in. Now this is a pretty thick brownie batter, and it results in a thick, chewy, cakey style brownie. Take a big spoonful of that peanut butter sugar mix and just plop them sporadically across the top of the brownies. What you'll do now is come in with a knife, and basically you're going to stab into the peanut butter glob and swoop under and swirl it around, so that you have a nice mix of brownie and peanut butter everywhere. This is what you want to see right here. And here you have it. Perfectly baked, go big or go home peanut butter brownies equipped with a great big peanut buttery swirl all throughout. You're gonna wanna let these cool before you cut into them for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can dig right in. If you're on the hunt for more delicious dessert recipes, be sure to check out our s'mores brownies next. They're topped off with an ooey gooey layer of melting marshmallow, chocolate, and some crunchy graham cracker crumbs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.